I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating compatibility and freeing at least 20 GB. This prevents interruptions. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter now because it identifies registry or service issues automatically. Next, disable VPN and third-party antivirus to avoid network or file locks that block files from replacing. Also disconnect printers and external drives. Fewer devices reduce driver conflicts. Once done, reboot into a clean state and proceed to the next phase with any error codes written down for targeted fixes. You now reset core update components to remove corrupted caches. Stop userv, bits, and crypts, then delete software distribution and cacheroot2 folders. This forces fresh downloads. After that, run sfc/scano to fix integrity issues, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. If Windows Update still fails, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade. This preserves apps and settings while replacing faulty system files. Make sure you run these steps as you finish by re-enabling security software and reconnecting devices, then confirm installation in Settings right arrow Windows Update. If the update still fails, perform a clean boot to isolate startup conflicts, and inspect Setup Diag or Windows Update log files to find specific error codes. Then uninstall or roll back drivers flagged in logs. As a final troubleshooting tip, back up your data and create recovery media before attempting a clean install. This ensures you can restore the system if the upgrade process becomes unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.